If you want to start up your own clothing brand, you have to watch this video to the end. I'm going to share with you 6 reasons why you should not start up a clothing brand, and then I'm going to share with you reasons why you should. And I realize that this might sound like a general topic, but I promise you, this is coming from 9 years experience running my own lifestyle brand, K-Bud. I've done hundreds of thousands of dollars worth in sales, and I just started up my second brand, Therapy Wear. We invented the world's first infrared heated hoodie for pain relief. So all you have to do is literally just sit back and relax, and this is going to be like downloading 9 years of experience before you even get started. Before we get into it, Apparel Success is sponsored by my buds over at design.com. And if you have the vision for a design, but you're not the designer yourself, this is perfect for you. Go to design.com/apparel success. Use the AI logo generator. Type in whatever the idea for your design is, hit generate. Thousands of logos are gonna come up that you can edit and refine as long as you want for free until it's perfect. I've used this to make designs that crush for my own brand. If you're interested, head over to design.com/apparel success and you'll get up to 88% off at checkout. Okay, so here are the big reasons why you should not start up a clothing brand. This isn't to try and deter you from it just for the sake of it, but these are very real reasons that you should really think about before considering starting up a brand. The first reason is that it's a really hard business to make money. If you're in this to just make money, there are way easier businesses that you can get into to make money really quickly. Like, rather than starting up a clothing brand, you could make an online coaching business or a social media marketing agency. And those types of businesses are gonna make you much more profit way faster than starting up a brand. The big reason why starting up a clothing brand is hard to make money is because it's sort of this never-ending game of the more orders and the more sales that you get, the more you need to invest in your infrastructure, the more you need to invest in inventory, and it just keeps growing and you have to invest more and more. And you have to remember that just because you might be making a lot of revenue, that doesn't mean that you're making a lot of profit, and you can't necessarily pay yourself from just your revenue. So I'm telling you, it's just not worth it to get into this space if you're only after quick money. You can make a lot of money if you build up a brand over time, you have brand history, repeat customers, and maybe you eventually sell the whole company. But other than that, it's really hard to pay yourself from it. There's thinner margins than other businesses, and it takes a lot longer to get off the ground. The second big reason to not start up a clothing brand is that there's a ton of supply chain and logistical complexity. Inventory management, fulfillment, sizes. Maybe you order a hoodie and you need smalls, mediums, larges, extra larges, double extra larges, and you've got all this inventory management. There's SKUs that you need to manage. There's customer support. There's all of the infrastructure behind it that just expands and gets more and more complex and more difficult to manage as you build your brand. As a side note here, this is why I recommend that if you do start up a clothing brand from scratch, sometimes it's the best option to just use print on demand, because you don't need to worry about any of this logistical complexity to get started. You can test and prove your idea before you invest all of this money in inventory and have to deal with all of the complexity of packing and sending out orders to your customers. The third big reason to not start up a clothing brand is really interesting, but the best businesses to start are built on survival and replication. You're selling food because people need food to survive. You're selling dating advice because people want to replicate with their partners. And in clothing, the value that you're offering is way more subtle. It takes such a nuanced perspective to understand the exact value that you're offering your customers. So it's not as simple as something that you're offering that has very clear, obvious value. It's much more of an artistic expression and connecting with people's identity. In most cases, the value that your brand is going to be offering your customers is not direct and it's not straightforward. It's going to be maybe a cool design and just the way that it looks, the way that it feels. And you need this really developed sense of intuition towards your audience. And so this could actually be a reason to start up a clothing brand if you feel like you're that type of person who has that ability. But otherwise, if you're somebody who feels a little bit out of tune with that and you're looking for sort of like a cut and dry, this is how you make money, this is a good business to get into to just sort of sell something that people want, then it's going to be really difficult. The fourth big reason to not start up a clothing brand is that it's an extremely competitive market with really difficult marketing. There are so many clothing brands out there, and that's because there's a low barrier to entry in this space. You can start up a clothing brand with a couple $100, launch a brand on Instagram, launch a brand on TikTok, and there's so many coming up all the time. And so the fact that you just launched your brand isn't going to be nearly enough to actually start making the sales that you're looking for. And it's going to take extreme amounts of creativity, a lot of resources, and you'll have to have extremely competitive bones in your body in order to compete and win in this space. The fifth big reason to not start up a clothing brand is that it is time consuming AF. The amount of time that you're going to have to spend on marketing, on customer service, on financial management, on managing your inventory, all the little things that go into your brand, it's going to literally consume your life. And so unless you truly love this and you're willing to just become obsessed with the battles, with the challenges of it all, and just immerse yourself into it fully, you're likely going to get tired and become burnt out from it eventually. So you need to truly love this space and love what you're getting into. And the sixth big reason to not start up a clothing brand, especially one with inventory, is that there's a constant risk of overproduction and underproduction of your inventory. Every time that you come out with a launch, you're not ever going to be truly positively sure if the amount of inventory that you're coming out with is just the right amount to sell out, and where there's not a ton of people wondering why you don't have any more inventory, or if you just order way too much, then you get stuck with too much inventory, and even though you sold those cost of goods at a profit, you've still got the stuff remaining that you can't sell through, and it bleeds into all of your money. Okay, now the reason why I'm putting the reasons to start up a clothing brand at the end of this video is because I think that first part probably filtered out all the people who just weren't serious and who just didn't really have the true desire to do this. So I want to share with you now the reasons you should start up a clothing brand, and this is going to be much more positive for you. So here we go. The first reason to start up a clothing brand is if you know deep down that you're the type of person who has the willingness and the persistence to navigate through challenges, you're gonna crush in this space and you're gonna just destroy most of the competition, because there are going to be so many challenges. There are going to be so many hurdles that you have to get through. But if you're that type A person that just loves to get stuff done, you don't mind a good challenge, you don't mind problem solving and working through that because you know that it's gonna make you stand out, make you better, and you're extremely competitive, then you're likely going to do really well in this space. The first 6 months running my brand KBud, we didn't make any sales other than to friends and family, and it was super discouraging. But it was that willingness to dive deeper and to be just a problem solver, to figure it out, that eventually got our brand to $70,000 a month in sales. And so if you're somebody who easily gets discouraged, then this isn't for you. But if you're somebody who just knows that you can dig deep enough to get there and to figure out things, you're going to do this. The second big reason that you should start up a clothing brand is if you have an idea for a targeted niche. If you have a great idea for an underserved niche in this space, you can absolutely crush. So if your idea is really good, you've got the idea honed in on a particular niche, and you know exactly who you're going to sell to, and you've got the vision for it, and you don't see any other brands out there that are doing it, and you've done your research, then that could be a really great idea, and it can be a really good space to get into because you found a blue ocean market. That's what I did with my lifestyle brand KBud, that's for the rural Canadian niche. I realized that there was no brands out there that were serving those people directly and talking to them directly. And when I eventually reworked my messaging and my brand to be after those people, everything started flying like crazy. The third reason that you should start up a brand is that you're the artist type. If you're the type of person who has a particular skill or talent or passion for this space, for creating designs, for design work in general, for connecting on an intuitive level, then this is the space for you. If you love art and you love finding people who appreciate your art and just art in general, then this is an amazing space to get into. It's going to be so fulfilling and so rewarding for you to be able to sell your own designs or sell your own creation to people and have them wearing it and identifying with it themselves. There's no better feeling. The fourth big reason that you should start up a brand is if you want to create a movement. If you're the type of person who's an A-type, who's a leader, who's a trendsetter, the origin of clothing, the reason why we originally were wearing clothing other than to just cover our bodies and keep us warm, was to associate ourselves with particular tribes and cultures. So countries or tribes would wear their own culture on it to identify with it, to show outwardly, this is who I'm a part of. That's why different gangs wear different things. It's all to associate yourself with a certain movement, with a certain tribe. And if you're the type of person who gets excited by that, by creating a movement that other people are going to join in on, then this is definitely the space for you. I want to know from you, what's the reason you're getting into this? Write it in the comments below. I read every single comment. I'd love to create a little chat in there just to see what are the different reasons people are starting up their brands and what are you most scared of? It'd be cool to hear all of your thoughts in the comments below. If you're getting into this space, you want to work with me and a community of other clothing brand owners, check out apparelsuccessmastermind.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.